Hi, if you are in college right now and just going through exams, classes, chilling, I get it. But let me tell you something real. These 3 or 4 years can literally change your life. Hi, welcome back to another video. If you are new here, my name is Poorna Hari. I am studying B.Tech at Sai University, Chennai. In this channel, I make videos which will help you grow outside the classroom. In this video, I am gonna share the stuff I wish someone told me when I entered college. Let's get into it. First and foremost thing is the people you meet. Whether it's your friends, seniors or anyone, they can open up many opportunities you never even imagined. So don't isolate yourself. Go and talk to your seniors, attend club meetings and be an organizer for the events. These things can open up many opportunities. These 3 or 4 years are the best time you get in your life. In these years you don't have any responsibilities and pressure. So explore everything. Try design, coding, marketing, finance and photography and so many. Be curious about everything. That's it. You will achieve new heights. Go beyond your campus. Go and attend events, hackathons, meetups and tech conferences. That's where you find best connections, mentors and your co-founders as well. Trust me, attend the event next week. You will see the world in a different way. Fourth thing, document your journey. Start posting about your projects, your learning and your college life in the social media. In this journey, you will learn many skills. Last thing is having fun. Enjoy your college life. Go to fairs, spend nights with your friends and go to trips. But be intentional. College is not just about degree. It's about becoming who you are. So don't wait for things to happen. Go and create them. Your future self will thank you. And suggest the videos which you want me to do and comment your best college memory in the comment section. If you found this video helpful, like the video and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you.